Clients coming to us with everything from a napkin sketch to complex product requirements that involves everything from physical products and mechanisms to sensors and electronics and firmware. We have a number of teams in-house that address all those different challenges.
No matter the project or idea, there's a mechanical engineer meeting with the client from the beginning to determine what the best components and methods are to manufacture their product.
We plan a beautiful design, but we also plan that this beautiful design has to work and it has to function right from the concept phase.
Great design doesn't tend to happen, in a day. It takes time and effort. We look for the most efficient, the lower cost method way to go. We try to explain the risks of every decision that you make.
Because Design First has seen all of those issues and all of those challenges in other projects, because we do about 70 to 80 projects a year, we have this deep level of expertise to be able to work together and to determine what the best way is in order to solve the challenges. And this team loves challenges.
We work as a single, very, very efficient unit. That's one of our greatest strengths.
It's really about taking customers' ideas and products and getting them into the market in the best and most efficient way possible.
Hardware product development is complicated. And so reaching out to a team like ours is one of the best decisions you'll make.